Something massive is happening right now inside Apple's health and wearable engineering labs, and if you currently wear an Apple Watch, or if you are planning to buy a smartwatch this year, you need to freeze what you are doing and listen to this very carefully. For 3 straight generations, Apple maintained a nearly identical physical footprint for its flagship rugged smartwatch. While extreme athletes, hikers, and tech enthusiasts praised its indestructible titanium casing and bright display, many users quietly voiced the exact same complaint. The watch was simply too thick, too bulky on the wrist, and awkward to wear while sleeping. But hidden deep within international supply chain customs manifests and developer beta code, evidence of a total hardware revolution codenamed N240 has leaked. Apple isn't just tweaking the Apple Watch Ultra. They are fundamentally redesigning it into a medical-grade, highly intelligent wearable power station that threatens to render traditional health monitors and rival smartwatches completely obsolete. If you think the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is just another minor spec bump with a slightly newer wristband color, you are completely missing the shift occurring behind closed doors. We are looking at a device that features an unprecedented 8-sensor ring array on its rear ceramic back, a breakthrough non-invasive blood pressure tracking system currently under FDA review, a jaw-dropping 4000-nit display, and an S11 processor built on advanced silicon architecture capable of running local AI models directly on your wrist. But there is a hidden controversy involving display supply chains, component pricing spikes, and biometric security features that could change your entire purchasing strategy. In this comprehensive video, we are going to expose every single supply chain leak, analyze the game-changing medical hardware, break down the physical redesign, dissect the battery breakthroughs, and reveal the exact verdict on whether you should hold on to your wallet or prepare to pre-order the moment it hits the market. To understand why the Ultra 4 is generating this level of shockwaves across the tech industry, you first have to look at what went wrong behind the scenes over the last 2 years. Apple originally planned a massive visual and display overhaul much earlier, centered around revolutionary MicroLED display technology. Apple spent hundreds of millions of dollars attempting to manufacture custom MicroLED screens in-house to achieve unbelievable brightness and efficiency. But when yield rates plummeted and production costs spiraled out of control, Apple was forced to make a ruthless pivot. They scrapped the initial MicroLED rollout, regrouped their display engineering division, and funneled those massive resources into an entirely different screen technology and a complete overhaul of internal biometric sensors. And that brings us directly to the most mind-blowing hardware leak discovered inside logistics reports from Taiwan Asia Semiconductor, Apple's exclusive sensor manufacturing partner. For years, the back of the Apple Watch featured a centralized cluster of 4 optical sensor channels used to calculate heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and basic skin temperature trends. But factory filings for the Ultra 4 confirm that Apple is roughly doubling the sensor component density, arranging an intricate ring of 8 distinct optical and electrical sensor nodes across the rear ceramic glass. Why on earth would a smartwatch need 8 high-precision biometric sensors pressed against your skin? The answer is simple. Apple is attempting to solve the holy grail of consumer healthcare: accurate, continuous, non-invasive blood pressure tracking without a clunky inflatable arm cuff. Let's break down how this incredible technology actually works on a physiological level, because it is nothing short of pure science fiction. Traditional blood pressure monitors rely on an inflatable cuff that physically squeezes your arm to measure systolic and diastolic pressure as blood flow momentarily stops and resumes. Attempts by rival smartwatch makers to mirror this required awkward microwear bags inside watch bands that made daily wear miserable. Apple's engineering team took a completely different approach, using photoplethysmography and advanced optical pulse wave velocity analysis. When your heart beats, it pushes a pressure wave through your arterial system. The speed at which that wave travels down the blood vessels in your wrist, combined with how those vessels expand and contract, directly correlates to your internal blood pressure. By positioning 8 specialized optical sensors in a precise radial pattern, the Ultra 4 projects multi-wavelength light deep into your subcutaneous tissue. The array measures microscopic changes in blood volume and vessel wall resistance with every single heartbeat. While previous software features only offered overnight baseline warnings for potential hypertension, the Ultra 4's upgraded sensor hardware is engineered to provide actionable, real-time blood pressure trends and alerts directly on your watch face. Think about the real-world implications of